Hello, YouTubers. How's it going, guys? So, you see, it's kind of raining outside. So, yeah. Today, I'm going to be staying in here for shelter till the rain clears up. So, yeah. And it's already clearing up right now. But I have a feeling it's gonna rain hard again, so I guess we're gonna hang out here until the rain clears up. That is. Oh wow! Look at this. They actually have a swimming pool. That's nice. Whoa! Wait a second. Let's see, 5, 6, oh my gosh, this pool is 8 feet. Wait. Anyone caught propping gate open will lose pool privileges. MGR. Okay, I guess I don't want to do that, or who knows, I might lose pool privileges for probably weeks maybe, or I might lose it forever, who knows. So yeah, let's not prop on the gate. It's good they warned me and stuff. So, you see, the clouds are kind of gray, so if I try running back to my house, I have a feeling that the rain is going to get big. So, yeah, we're going to actually stay here and hang out in this shelter. Anyway, this is a really good neighborhood. Oh my god. Now it's raining hard. I just knew that if I even tried to leave and get back to the house that it would pour real fast and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna be hanging out here. And I'm sorry guys, but I'm gonna have to stop the video because this is like a phone. So, yeah, this phone doesn't really have that much storage on it, so I'm gonna have to stop it. Well, I'll let you know if the rain's finally stopped and everything.